Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you found my channel. Today we have another makeup haul. This is some Sephora and Ulta stuff. I am not going to pretend like I'm not going to keep doing hauls because I keep telling you guys, oh, it'll be a few months before I haul again. I bought a lot of stuff. I'm not going to haul again. No, let's just be honest with ourselves. Let's be truthful. I will be doing hauls and I will be doing them consistently because your girl is addicted to shopping and your girl is addicted to buying makeup. So here we are once again. Like I said, we have some Sephora and Ulta. I'm going to start with the Ulta stuff. It's not a ton of stuff, but it's definitely enough to make a haul. So make sure if you guys like hauls, if you like beauty, fashion, makeup videos, that you do push that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And let's go ahead and get into the haul. So the first thing I got from Ulta is the Too Faced Hangover Good in Bed Soothing, Glowing, Ultra Replenishing, Hydrating Serum. So this just looked intriguing to me because, you know, I always am about a nice hyaluronic acid serum, which this is what it is. Hyaluronic acid, coconut water, vitamin B5, and dragon fruit. So it's good for dry skin and it's just good for plumping and moisturizing the skin, which I have really dry skin. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's super cute. It has like clear glass bottle at the top and then it goes to pink, and it's a pump serum and it just looks like basically like a gel serum-y consistency, and it rubs in clear and it just plumps up your skin, makes it look dewy and hydrated. I put this on under my makeup. Sometimes I put it on before I go to bed and I have been liking it. The scent is barely anything. Like, I really don't even know what to tell you it smells like. It barely smells like anything. One thing that I saw a lot of complaints on were that it does have little tiny glitter particles. You can barely see them in my opinion, and it doesn't affect me in any negative way, so I don't find anything wrong with it. But if you would be opposed to having little bitty glitter particles in your skincare, then I do want to make that known that that is in there. But so far so good, and I am liking it. The next thing I got from Ulta is this Buxom Staycation Vibes Primer Infused Bronzer. So I have been loving Buxom lately. I have been loving just trying some of their new products, and this bronzer really intrigued me. I think there are two different colors they made these primer infused bronzers in, but as you can see, it has a ring that's darker and then a center pop color. You can swirl your brush in all of it and just kind of put it on the skin. That's what I do. I don't like try to focus my brush in one of the colors, but this is what the color is looking like. Let me swatch it on the back of my hand for you. So it's a very neutral bronzer, I feel like. Not too warm, not too cool, and it's really pretty. I really like it. It stays on all day. That is what I have on today, on my cheeks, on my forehead, under my chin, and I think it's beautiful. I love the formula. I love how smooth and pigmented it is, and I definitely think that you guys would like it if you love bronzers. Bronzer is my favorite type of makeup product, so every time a new bronzer releases, I'm like, yep, gotta have it, gotta try you, gotta have it. So I really like this one. The next product that I got is a blush, and this is actually something that probably everybody already has, but I did not have it. It is NARS and it is in the color Orgasm. So it is one of the most popular blushes on the market, and I've never tried it, even though I know that like everybody owns it, but I had never tried it. So it's really just like a pinky blush with golden sparkle, and everybody and their mother has had this blush except for me. I don't really know why. It's hardly like pigmented, but I do like it. I've tried it over top of other blushes and I like the sheen it gives. I like the glow it gives. I also have this on, but I have it layered over the Fenty Cream blush in the color Rose Latte today. So what I have on my face right now are these two guys combined. So this is a cream blush. I put that on first, and then I just hit it on top with this to just give it some extra sheen. And I really like the combo, and I'm really liking this blush so far. I just don't think I would use it on its own. The next product I got from Ulta is just a repurchase of the Voluminous Lash Paradise, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I don't know why I said it like that, but this is just a mascara, and I usually tend to get drugstore mascaras because I do feel like there's things you can spend money on that are more important than mascara. So I feel like there's so many mascaras at the drugstore. Just get a cheaper, more affordable option, and they just run out so fast and you have to replace them so fast. So I really do like this drugstore mascara. If you guys have never tried it, you definitely should. It's similar to the Better Than Sex from Too Faced, but the wand's a little bit different, I feel like, but it's similar for sure. The next thing that I got is, I don't have the packaging for this, but this is also from the Hangover collection from Too Faced. This is the Hangover Pillow Balm, and this is so good, guys. So this is just a lip balm, but it's like so creamy. I'll show you I don't know if you can tell, but it's just pillowy is a really good way to describe it. It's so soft and like a cloud, and it's just sheer. It has like a pink tint, I guess, but mostly just a clear tint, and it just gives your lips a plumpness, a fullness. It makes them so soft. It like fills in the lines of your lips. It's just a good overall moisturizer for your lips. I like to wear this to go to bed, or if I'm not gonna wear like lipstick or something, I like to wear this on my lips. I have been loving it. I think it is great, and I think if you guys like moisturizing products for your lips, that you should definitely give that Pillow Balm a try. The next thing I got from Ulta is this Morphe concealer. This is the full coverage concealer, and it's in the color C165. It's a soft matte finish. So I've just never tried this before. I know Jaclyn Hill loves this concealer, which you guys know she loves Morphe. So I had to try it for myself. But I actually do really love it. I was a little skeptical of it, but it's a very full coverage and it is very smoothing. And I don't find that it accentuates any lines in my eyes or makes my eyes look dry or old. So for an affordable concealer, I highly recommend it actually. They have a lot of shades, and I think you guys would probably like it. I actually think it's more hydrating than the Shape Tape concealer, which I really like the Shape Tape concealer because it's very full coverage, but this one is pretty full coverage as well, and it just makes the under eye look really smooth and extremely affordable, like I said. So I think you should definitely try it if you haven't already. I saved the best for last from Ulta because this is something you guys have to run out and pick up. This is so good. This is another Buxom product. I got two of these. These are the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Creams. These are the fall editions, so they smell like fall scents. I got the color Pumpkin Spice Latte in the cream version, and I got Spiked Apple Cider in the cream version, and they actually smell spot on to apple cider and pumpkin spice, and they're amazing. They have that tingly feel that the Buxom lip glosses do, like the cooling effect almost on your lips. Not like minty as much, but more like a cooling feeling. I absolutely am obsessed with these. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. They smell not only amazing, the colors are right up my alley, and I like that they're a lip cream, so they look glossy, like super glossy, but they have a lot of color payoff. That is what I have on today on my lips. So if you guys are liking my lip combo, this is what it is. So today I'm actually wearing the, which one am I wearing? Today I'm wearing the apple cider one, which is a little bit more pink. And then the pumpkin one is a little bit more browny, like beige, but they're both a little bit pink toned. So this is the one I have on my lips right now, and it's the spiked apple cider one. As you can see, it's glossy, but also full color. And then the pumpkin one I love as well. Oops, I just knocked something down here. The pumpkin one I love as well. This is it right next to the, ooh, nice swatching, Katie. This is it right next to the apple one. So they're really close. This one's more brown, this one's more pink. Can you even tell on camera? They look really similar. I promise they're different, a little different at least. But if you guys love nude lips, if you love glossy lips, these are beautiful. I think they make my lips look so juicy and just gorgeous. Like, I love it. This is one of my favorite finds probably of this whole year. And if they had more colors, I would buy more colors. They only have 4. The other 2 have sparkle in them, so I don't know if I will be a huge fan of those, but I might try it anyways because I am so obsessed with the cream one. So anyways, I really like these, and look how cute the packaging is. They have little pumpkins and little apples on them. Can you see that? Look how cute. So cute. Love these. Let's go on to Sephora. So the Sephora stuff I don't have a lot of, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you what I did just because might as well throw it all together. So the first thing I have is this Ilia lipstick. So this is I've actually never tried anything from this brand, but my favorite girl, SMLXO, Stephanie, she recommends a lot of Ilia stuff. She used this lipstick in her all cream products video, I believe. This is the lipstick in the color Amberlight. This is just a nice nudie pink lipstick. It's very opaque. It's pretty much matte, I would say. It's not very shiny, but it's just a gorgeous nudie pink, a little bit darker than I usually wear, but I really like the color of it. And the box, the carton, is the same color as the lipstick. I really do like the formula of this, and I really like the color. It is really, really nice, smoothing, not too drying. I like it a lot, so I would recommend these to you guys. The next thing I got, I don't have the box for, I did throw it away, but this was on sale, and I needed a white eyeliner for like my inner rim, just to, if I wanted, sometimes lately I've been doing like really bold lashes and then like really white on the bottom and then just a little bit of outer corner like liner just for a pop and like a really doe-eyed, big-eyed effect. So I got this Kat Von D, oh I'm sorry, not Kat Von D, KVD Vegan Beauty, I think that's what it's called. They haven't even rebranded it all the way. This is the Cake Liner, I believe. Cake pencil in whiteout, and it's super pigmented, as you can see, so you don't need to use a lot of this because it can make you look a little crazy if you really go ham in your waterline, but just a little bit to brighten up your eyes and just to give you that doe-eyed effect. And it stays on all day, so I recommend these eyeliners in general, but especially for a white eyeliner, this is super nice and super pigmented. My other thing I got from Sephora is, I don't have a box for this either then, I guess. So this is the Laura Mercier caviar stick in the color metallic taupe. This is also a recommendation from Stephanie's video that I was talking about, her cream products. This is a eye pencil stick, and look how pretty that is. It's like a champagne gold taupe color. It can reflect a little bit darker when you like turn your arm or your head, but I have this today on the inner portion of my eyes to give me a bright, glittery effect, and it just gives that inner corner highlight, that inner corner brightened look. I love that metallic look right now, and this caviar stick is so easy to use. You can just go ahead and put it on here and just kind of blend it with your finger a little bit, and then you can set it with like a highlight color just to give it more of a pop. These stay on all day, they don't crease, and I would like to pick up more actually. I think that this would be really easy to also put on your lid. I've just been using it for the inner corner, but I do think that they would be really nice because they're super metallic, super beautiful, glittery, foiled, and they stay on so well. So I would recommend these and picking up more colors. They're just gorgeous. And let's see, am I already done? No, I have one more thing, and this is last but not least. I really have been liking this iconic London Prep Set and Glow setting spray. Look, I got it like a week ago and I've already made a huge dent in that product. So this is in the color, oh gosh, what is this? It's the bronze one, but I don't even know. I thought it would tell me a color. So there was original and bronze, I believe. And so this is the bronze one. Don't be scared just because you're more fair or more light colored that you can't get the bronze one, because this glitter, you just shake it up in here and it doesn't make you look darker, or like, it doesn't make you look glittery really. It just, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's so dewy. It makes your skin look so airbrushed, so refreshed, no pores, just so smooth. I have it on today. I set my makeup with it. It really pops your highlight. I can see a little bit of sparkle in it, but not much of anything, nothing that would accentuate anything. I think it's a gorgeous formula. It doesn't have the best reviews on Sephora. I don't agree. I think it is a great product. I love it. I think it's just so summery and bronzy, but it doesn't make your makeup look darker. It just gives you a glow. And I will be repurchasing it. I think it smells really good as well. And the mister on it is really nice and fine. Here, let's spray it. And it's gorgeous. So that is all that I got from Ulta and Sephora the last couple weeks. I know it wasn't a ton, but you guys know I didn't need anything at all. So I had to share what I did get because I had some really hidden gems in here. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you stay safe and have a great summer. Bye.